How to remove workplace on Facebook. Now let's say you have displayed a workplace that you previously worked with and it is on Facebook right now. In order for you to remove that specific workplace on Facebook, all you have to do is to go to your profile feed right here and click on Edit Profile. Now you just have to scroll down until you go to this part where it says Details and click on Edit right here. Now let's say you no longer work with this company right here. All you have to do is to tap on this pencil button right here and click on X right here. After that, you just have to click on Save. And now Facebook is now confirming if you are sure to delete that specific workplace. All you have to do is to tap on Delete right here. And now you successfully remove the workplace on your profile info. So that's how to remove workplace on Facebook. Hope to help.